Hello guys everyone, I hope you are fine. In this video I will discuss the Merlin chain airdrop that native Bitcoin layer 2. So first of all I search here the Manta. So as you know I already told you about the Manta airdrop that already over, but it's give us huge profit. So Merlin chain is also same airdrop as we share with you. If you join you get it huge profit, but here is the new and incentive airdrop, the Merlin chain. Simple to do three tasks. Before starting this task, I will tell you his investor are OKX, KuCoin, and many others big companies invested here. So it's a top exchanges. We just need to over stake Bitcoin here. If you have extra fund or long term holding Bitcoin, I prefer you to stake your Bitcoin on Merlin chain. So first of all you need to set up your Unisat wallet, okay, and you need Bitcoin wallet. So I prefer you to use OKX exchange to add your fund from Unisat. I think $2 to $4 fee from depositing OKX to Unisat wallet. When the balance added to your Unisat wallet, you just need to bridge your Bitcoin to Merlin chain, or you can directly stake your Bitcoin on Merlin chain. But I will told you the about this project all detail, and after that I will told you how to stake and how to earn Merlin points and what is the use case of M points. So it's a simple and easy process that I will told you, but here is the interface where you stake your Bitcoin and you can earn point. Okay, same like Manta. Here we stake Ethereum and get NFTs and airdrop also, but here is the different method. We earn M points. So here you need to add provide liquidity and many more option here, but we know the points rules. Here all the information put in this article. I will share you this link, you can read him. But here is the some rule about the distribution of M token. What is the use cases of M token? It's a important point of this video. So M points will be converted into Merlin token. So when you stake your Bitcoin, you need to wait until April. Your Bitcoin will be logged on Merlin chain on April. Then you can withdraw your Bitcoin to your any wallet. So keep in mind your fund will be locked at least 2 months. After that, you can unstake your Bitcoin and withdraw to your wallet. So here's the four phase almost, and in April user will be able to withdraw your stake assets and M token. M token means Merlin token. When you stake your Bitcoin, you will earn the M token. Okay, I think it's listing in April. That's why your fund will be locked until the April. So keep in mind your fund will be locked if you have an extra balance. So let's start it how to join this airdrop on Merlin chain. So first of all, I give you a Merlin chain link. Make sure you are a correct link in description, not comments. Okay. So first of all, you need to set up your Unisat wallet and add 0.001 BTC, at least 50 about $50. So you can calculate on any exchanges, but I think when I deposit here I think $47 equal to 0.001 BTC. So I already added fund here, but here is you need to pay at least 0.0001 BTC as a fee of this staking. So make sure you edit the fee on your Unisat wallet and you need to pay. So here you just enter your amount at least 0.001 BTC minimum or maximum as you can. more your Bitcoin fund, more allocations. Okay, so it's depend on you how much your fund do you have and you want to stake here. So I just take here 0.001 Bitcoin. So I just check out this. Here is the Bitcoin price, current price. Okay, and almost 47 USDT that I put on staking and $14 as a gas fee. So I already added fund here on Uniset wallet, but I need to add more for gas fee. So I just copy this address and add some fund. So I already added fund here. So let's start it how to stake and earn M points. So mostly M points will be added to your account at least after 24 hours. So you need to select here Bitcoin and enter your amount here. So I just check it and is everything thing is fine. So I will enter amount here and stake over Bitcoin. So I just enter amount, click on staking, click on OK. So here you click on economy, your gas fee will be charged low. So I just click on sign. So wait some time, you need to wait at least 1 to 2 minutes. So you can see here our staking is successfully. If you go to bridge, you need to bridge some Bitcoin on Merlin chain. I think if they airdrop do bridging user, you can officially get the token also. So I just click here and bridge some Bitcoin. Okay, or it's not important, but staking is most important task in airdrop. So here your assets are here and your address here, and you can see here your invitation code, and here is your points. That's not added at this time, but it will be added after 24 hours. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and more airdrop on this channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and make sure you join our Telegram channel for the test crypto, testnet and mainnet airdrop. So it's today's video. I hope you earn a lot of knowledge. If you have any question, comment down below your question. I will told you if you have any issue about that. So here is our Telegram channel. You can join, link in description, and if any update about Merlin chain, I will share you on our Telegram group. Goodbye, take care.